Hey, what's up guys? John from the Lucky Needle here, and today I'm just in my tiny little garage here because I'm waiting for my big shop to get built, and I'm trying to do some small projects. So I'm working on these table covers, and I wanted to talk to you guys a little about zippers and zipper slides today so I can show you some of the tricks that I have for this because I'm doing these on these covers, and I figured it was a good time to talk about it. So the first thing that I want to bring up is I'm going to show you how to install these slides backwards. So typically the easiest way to install these zipper slides is to pull apart the zipper just a little bit like that, and then the tapered part of the zipper goes down, right? So you get each little each side in there like that, and then you kind of get it lined up, and then you just push down, and that's like the easiest way. That's the way most people do it. But on this situation, it's the way I designed these covers, you can't do that. So you're gonna have to install it backwards, which makes it a little bit more difficult. But you can see here on this table cover that I have this flap that I want to be unzipped, and the zipper needs to go this direction, but I have this border here that's stopping it. And I mean, technically I could sew this in a different order, but this way makes way more sense to sew this whole piece together and then sew the edge on, which makes it so that you can't install the zipper here after you sew it. So what I do, and I'll show you here on this other one, to install them backwards. So when you're installing these backwards, what you're going to do is you're going to leave it connected just like this. You're not going to pull it apart, and then you're going to slide it in just like that. And you can see that as much as you push, as much anything you do, it doesn't want to go. So what we need to do is we need to open the zipper. And on these big zippers, it doesn't work to do it by hand. So you need to help it out, right? Like it's too strong to pull it open by hand. So what I do is I put some pressure with my finger on this, and then I reach in here with this pick, just a little pick like this. You can use a 90-degree pick, any pick. And then all you do, just reach in there and pry that zipper apart. And sometimes it takes a little bit more effort to get it to come apart, and you gotta keep coming back and forth, but the pressure you put on it, you'll know when it's ready, just like that. So then the zipper's on, right? And that's how you get those zipper slides on the opposite direction. And now all I need to do is come in here and sew on some zipper stops, just like I did here, to stop the zipper from actually coming off. So I hope that little tip and trick helped you guys. I'm trying to think of all these little things that I do that I don't normally think about that can help you guys save time. And if you guys are interested in more videos or tips and tricks, make sure you visit our website, theluckyneedle.com, where we have really in-depth, really good upholstery courses that you can purchase, and they'll just take you to the next level. So make sure you check those out right here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.